You can access your team through these goggles.
You're kidding me.
No, I'm not. And if we don't get to them soon, they'll be under Nemo's control.
She okay now? I gotta take that thing out of her face?
Right.
Conceal. Hey, conceal. Wake up. Come on, we gotta get out of here. Okay?
You lie. Me.
Well, okay, I like it.
You love me.
Well,
I'll go find the others.
that's a good idea. Ow! What's that for?
Taking advantage of me?
You kissed me!
Hardly!
Well, we gotta get out of here, okay? Can I help you? Let me help you.
I can do this.
Fine.